the pre-conference workshop was organized at the School of Economics, Makerere University, and I like the fact that we hosted many researchers at our school. It's good for our visibility, but also it's an opportunity because I presented my research on that workshop, and at the workshop with one session, you have the opportunity to have delegates attending your session, and then you get a lot of good feedback.
The pre-conference is quite small, right? So that allows, quite a depth discussion on our research topic, and quite, intimate discussion and networking, I think, with other researchers that are based in Africa, who are also early career researchers. We share research interest and challenge. So, yeah.
That workshop was wonderful in Makerere, Kampala. I attended it. I presented, I got useful feedback, I got feedback from Stefan. We even spoke beyond my session, and he brought out pointers in my paper, and I spoke to other people. And what was most important, or what was most significant, was the side discussions that we had on macroeconomics and microeconomics. Those lectures were very, 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 very useful.
So I joined the CSAE workshop at Makerere University in Uganda. My role there at the workshop was to do some introductory sessions on the basics of randomized evaluation, to explain the methodology and why it's a very rigorous method of impact evaluation. And then in addition to the sessions on covering RCTs, I also ran a session providing guidance on how to put together a competitive proposal for an organization like JPAL or others that also fund rigorous impact evaluations.
The pre-conference workshop is very important in order to shape the research that you present to fit to the platform we have in Oxford. It opens a door for students there to join the conference, and there are also platforms where policymakers as well as practitioners come into the platform to join and contribute to that of the conference.
The importance of this conference to me is the fact that it brings different crops of people that are related to your discipline, economics in particular, and then we can brainstorm, exchange ideas, and then learn from each other and improve what we are doing as regards research and application of research to policy making, particularly in Africa. And what excites me the most about this workshop is the fact that the UK school, University of Oxford, deems it fit to organize this conference for Africans in Africa. We Africans can begin to chart our own course of development that addresses the reality of Africans' issues, that addresses the peculiarities of African issues, not necessarily having to use the Western models, but looking at what models apply to us and situating it within the reality of our own context, and then using it to advance our own development.